Right, what is up everybody, it's Matt Rides here. Today I have a special episode for everyone. I have my girlfriend here and she is riding as well, if you see over there. She's actually doing really well for her well, it's not her first time, but it's like she hasn't done proper riding yet. This is like, so it's basically her first time. She's doing really well actually. She's on my old KTM, well not really old, it's still in pretty good condition. But yeah, she's doing really well. I just told her just to go slowly around, just because she hasn't ridden like properly. She had a bad fall, probably like a couple months ago. So now she's back on it, and that's why I'm really proud of her for doing that, for getting back on. I put her in full kit, all of my gear. She's on it, and she's doing really well. I'm very impressed. So who knows, hopefully in the future we will be able to go riding together like at Domboschau or something. But that's still quite far away, and I don't want to push her too hard quite yet and ruin her confidence. But she's doing really well, and I'm sure she's enjoying it. Well, I hope so, but I'm pretty sure she's enjoying it. I'm just gonna cruise around and really follow her this video. It's a MotoVlog, but it's probably gonna be like 10 minutes. Honestly, it's honestly not going to be that long, because I mean I've done quite a few of these MotoVlogs now, but yeah, she's doing really well. That bike looks really good actually. I washed it the other day because I want to sell it, and then who knows, maybe she'll take it, or maybe I'll give it to her, because it does look really nice, especially now it's nice and washed. I use some of that. Instead of just, because normally I just use the pressure washer, but this time I use like I pressure washed all the mud off, and then I got a scrub, like a microfiber cloth towel thing, and yeah, I was using that with some car wash, but it's like car wash with some wax in it, and then so it made those colors really stand out. It looks really nice. Kind of jealous I'm not riding it again. It brings back some old memories, but yeah, it's really nice. She's like a natural on it. It's amazing. Oh yes, and my camera. I watched some more videos, and turns out what I was doing with my camera was basically like, if I'm like doing like recording like, I don't know, like a product review or something where it's not really moving. So now I've changed some settings around in the Pro Tune, so it should be nice, mighty tasty, hopefully. And I only saw when I was editing that I had a big smudge on the lens, so that's why the quality wasn't that clear. Like, the quality was okay, but it wasn't very clear. And yeah, so now it should hopefully be better, and the audio should be even better. Because on top of not really yelling anymore at the mic, because I'm like retarded like that, I've also went into settings and I saw that it was on default. Oh, look at it, she's going a bit faster. Damn, might have a race on our hands. Come on. I'm just kidding. Don't wanna. I know she would race. If I went past her fast, she would race. I don't want her to do that. I don't want to get beaten. I'm joking. I've done it again. Keep doing this. You know what? I need to like slap myself every single time I do this. When I'm talking about something, I get distracted, saying, "Oh, the camera. Oh, the audio. That's it." I went into settings because you know I record to my phone on like the memo recorder thing. And I saw like the settings on it was actually on medium. So I changed it to high, and I do it like, I think I might have put it on medium because I didn't know the file sizes of my phone could handle, but it's my old phone that I'm recording to, so I just reset it, so I have a full like 32 gigabytes to like put stuff on, so it's not really that big of a deal. Back to this rock, I'm gonna have a nice groove in that rock just now, the amount of times I ride it. Let's see if she'll come this way. Bikes are amazing. Especially when your girlfriend rides them. Hopefully she's following me. I'll go slowly. Don't want to make her go too fast. Because it's a two-stroke, and what I'm most worried about, which pretty much happened last time when she crashed, was she got into the power band, and I forgot to tell her about the power band, what it does. Like basically just turns your bike into like a raging bull basically, and yeah, it kind of just flicked her off and she lost quite a bit of confidence, but now she's back, and it's very impressive. I'm very impressed. Let's take her through some trees. Let's see if she stalls it through. Yeah, I don't think she will. Yes, well done. Did amazing. Sheesh, I'm impressed with her. Yeah, this is kind of just a teaching my girlfriend how to ride a motorbike kind of vlog thing. It's a motovlog. I'm going to talk about some stuff, but there's not much to talk about, and I don't really want to go flying off like into the other side of the property and then just leave her here, you know. I want to make sure she's okay. The Zim accent catches you out of nowhere. I don't want to speak too much like a Zimbabwean, because I don't want people to not watch me. Maybe it'll make them watch me more. No, none of that accent on YouTube so far. Could put my accent on. Be the only one. Oh, she's got some beans in her. Jeesh. Drunken some Red Bulls today, motorbike. Mr. Husqvarna. And I will get some close-up shots. I'm just really basically just waiting for my mom to get home, so I can use her camera. Hopefully she has a nice DSLR camera that I can use and maybe get some much clearer shots than the GoPro. Because the GoPro is good, like, I mean, it's like tough and it's really good, but like its quality is not the best. So I really want to use the DSLR and just get some really, really nice video of her. Put on some YouTubes. And that bike actually suits her so well. 125, it's literally the sweet spot. Because when I ride it, like, it's just no power for me anymore. I'm just kind of too heavy. I weigh like 90 kgs, so this is like, not 90 kgs, it's probably like 89. Wow, big difference on kg. Yeah, no, I weigh about 90, I think. This bike, I haven't had to change the suspension. It's fine. There's not really anything. I just kind of tighten up the preload and stuff, and it does well. I have in the manual, it like has some presets in it, like for the front suspension and the back as well. Like I have it in like sport mode, like not comfort. I mean, I'd probably change it back to comfort when I'm racing, because yeah, right now, I mean, I don't know actually. For the stuff I do, like when I do jumps and go up rock stuff, maybe sport mode is better. Probably is better, to be honest. I don't think comfort mode would suit me that well. Everything has to be sport, because when you have sport, it's cool. No, I mean, when I bought this bike, it was adjusted for comfort, and my god, it was nice. Oof. I need to change my gears. I get distracted and I forget. I swear I have like ADHD or something. Or something like that. I'm not making fun of people with ADHD, but I mean, what happens if I have it? Then I'm just making fun of myself. I don't know, I've never been tested. Maybe it's just retarded. Probably just retarded. My brain can't keep up. My mouth... No. Yeah, my mouth can't keep up with my brain. Dyslexic. I was, like, in school, I was, like, said to be dyslexic by many of my teachers, but... I don't know. Kind of just got better, and they were like, oh, never mind. So I don't think I am. But if I am, oh well, Albert Einstein wasn't. Well, that's what I read. He was, and look at him. He made some pretty cool physics stuff, which I don't understand. Yeah, boy. The suspension actually, let me compare my bike, this Husqvarna, to my KTM. I mean, obviously it's going to be better. This is a 2018 and that's a 2012. But like the improvements, let me just say the improvements. Suspension, my word, is an improvement. Because I rode this down just to get my girlfriend down here so I didn't have to go through all those rocks when coming to here. And you could it literally was bouncing everywhere compared to this. Like, my gosh, if one thing I could do to that bike is put this suspension in there. Because, like, it's actually, you just have to ride a bike for yourself to really feel it. You have to compare. You can't just get on this bike and be like, yeah, it's okay. No, you have to get on an old bike, and you have to get on, like, one of these bikes. You know what I find crazy? So I was scrolling through, because I used to do mountain biking, as you probably saw in my Australia New Zealand video. When I used to live in New Zealand, I did so much mountain biking. Like, that's probably where I got quite a bit of like the handling skill from. Is I did downhill race, like, you know, I didn't race in it, but I love downhill. Any downhill, I would love it. I'm talking jumps. I couldn't do like flips and stuff, but jumps, drop offs, all of that. I used to love that stuff. I would literally always hit it first go, no brain, second thought, nothing. It was just like, right, let's go. Wow. It was actually, the sky is, no, I'm not getting distracted. Not again, no. Oh, we're going the other way. Yes. Because we're getting dizzy. Let me try to get some more shots. You know what, I'm not even going to try to remember what I was saying just now because I honestly forgot it. I told myself to stop, but obviously it didn't work. My brain was like, oh, you want to play that game? Fine. Don't remember anything now. What's my name? I don't know. No idea. You have to subscribe to find out my name. I'm not telling you my name. Like and subscribe. Please. I need to my goal is to reach, let's say, 30 subscribers by the end of the month, which hopefully I'll reach. That's what I really want. Oh, yes, I'm quitting YouTube. I'm joking. I'm not quitting YouTube. I love YouTube. I don't want to do YouTube as like I'm not going to rely on it as my main source of income. I want to do it because it's my hobby, I guess, to show off my sports. Something that I enjoy, you know, like going to a job, like, honestly, unless you like doing a really cool job, like some sort of mountain climbing job, or no, you don't really like it that much. YouTube I love to bits because I get to, I don't know, I could make like a little bit of money on the side of showing stuff like what I love, and can afford to like keep putting money towards new bikes. When I'm older, I want bikes, a car, obviously, when it's raining. When it's not raining, bikes. Children, 1 year old, they can learn how to ride bikes. Family vacation, all on bike. I'm joking. Imagine though, that'd be insane. The road, if the police saw that, they probably wouldn't know what to do. They'd be like, this is some sort of joke. Where's the cameras? Right here. There's the camera. You guys are on my head, supporting all of you, all like 25 of you. Not subscribers, but people who watch. So hot right now. I want to go other places, but no, not right now. Yeet. Just dodge and weave our way through all the trees. Not going there because there could be a little snaky bitey there, and I don't want that. Doubt they even have anti-venom here, whatever, the antidote here in this country. They'll probably just be like, right, suck on it as hard as you can and just die again, because, you know, that's what I don't understand. When I saw, like, it's probably like if you suck on a snake bite, what are you gonna get out? You're just gonna get your blood out. It's already gone through your blood. Like, pretty sure your heart's already pumped around like your body nearly. I mean, unless you want to suck all your blood out, then that'll be kind of retarded. And isn't it like you're just eating it basically? Like you just suck. Even if you were to be able to suck the venom out, right? And wouldn't it just be going onto your mouth, and it'll just be getting absorbed through your mouth? Like, it's like if you're just meant to die, you're meant to die, I guess. Well, that's in this country. you gonna die, boy. You gonna die. You know you gonna see nothing. You gonna see the light. You're gonna see like Anakin or something in the light. Dodging, weaving, please no snakes, bitey bite. Yeet! Oof. Right, I just nearly died there. Oof size maximum. Oh, taking off from wheelies in like third gear or from like 20 kilometers per hour. Let me try again. Gotta get that pump! There we go. And yes, I did bleed my back brake. It's working again. Good thing it didn't like stop. Look, I'm so lucky it stopped working up there, not when I was wheeling to here. Imagine, I just arrived through the greenhouse. And this electric tape is on the electric fence, so that wouldn't be... It would probably hurt a little bit. Just a tad. How long have you been recording? GoPro? Sheesh, 19 minutes already. Time just flies by when you're having fun on dirt bikes, because dirt bikes are amazing, and I love them to bits. I saw some blue smoke coming out. That's hitting that power band again. Yeah, boy. Oh, I nearly fell. I don't want to fall. I'm not wearing anything. No gloves, no nothing. Just, yeah, I'm not just wearing nothing. No, I'm joking. I'm wearing a shirt, shorts, my default socks, shoes, some nice trainers, nice relaxing ride. Might as well just lie down and have a nice sun lounge. Don't mind, these are my old shoes. I don't ride with my these are like, they have holes in them. There's my toe. I use these for like when I just want to ride around the house, because I can't be bothered to put. I only put it on my girlfriend because I didn't want it. If she fell, I didn't want her to hurt herself. For me, I mean, I'm retarded, so I wouldn't feel anything. I should probably say that before I get like hate comments or something. Okay, that was my karma. No need for hate comments. Just went into a bush over some thorns. Tire's probably going to be flat tomorrow. Please, no hate comments. Karma's already done it for you. You can just sit back, relax, and enjoy Matt V's content. Oh, I didn't expect that to kick my back up that much. Some trees, some anthill, Where is she? Oh, she's down there. So she's gonna follow me. And I will get some close-up shots of her. Probably put it like now. Probably not, but I'll try my best to remember. Nearly did it again. I swear there's a rock in that bush. I promise you there is. It has to be. Because let me investigate. I really don't want to though. I don't want to be bitten by a snake. Here's a rock. I like this rock. That's a pretty cool rock. So many. What's wrong with me today? I'm like falling over. Look, even this thing's falling over. What the hell? Rocket man! Can I go? No, not today. I'm gonna wait till this dies down before I go behind the container. don't trust it. Hello neighbors. Pedal, pedal, slowly, slowly, then bam! Let's go down this way. Let's make a route down. You can tell I'm getting more comfortable in this. I'm making random noises. And my feet are still up. I'll tell you when I put them down. Still up, drag my back brake. That's another tip I found out. If you're going down like steep stuff and you need to be like turning in and out of rocks and stuff, just put a little bit of pressure on the back brake. And you will literally, it's so much easier to control. Like instead of just holding the front brake, just put a little bit of pressure on the back brake. This is just a tip. And even when you're turning like this, just drag your back brake a bit, and you'll be able to turn so easily. Of course. But she's all the way down there. How did she get there? I'm going on her own adventure. I was looking around. I was like, where did she go? There it is. KTM Racing. Sponsored by me. KTM, you want to do a sponsorship for 10 subscribers channel, you know? Or GoPro. Yes. GoPro, do you wanna do a quick sponsorship, you know? In the future. Not now. Who the hell would sponsorship some tiny ass little 10 subscribed channel? That's why we need to get it to like 100,000 subscribers, guys. Tell your friends and family. Matt rides, enjoyable content. Probably not for the young people. If you have kids, don't let them watch my video. They probably won't like it. Are you okay?